Welcome to Star Games. This is a successful perspective to outline a specific 4-hour work plan per week. If this is your first time to visit my channel, please subscribe, share and like the channel. Leave the comment below. If you already subscribed, thanks for being our Star Games family. Here is a step-by-step guide to create a 4-hour work plan per week. Step 1. Identify your goals. Define your goals for the week. What do you want to accomplish in the next 4 hours of work? Step 2. Prioritize tasks. Make a list of tasks that need to be completed to achieve your goals. Prioritize the tasks in order of importance. Step 3. Break down tasks. Break down each task into smaller, more manageable steps. Step 4. Allocate time for each task. Estimate the amount of time it will take to complete each task. Allocate a specific amount of time for each task in your work plan. Step 5. Schedule breaks. Schedule short breaks throughout your workday to rest and recharge. Step 6. Focus on challenging tasks. Identify the most challenging tasks and focus on completing them first when you have the most energy and motivation. Step 7. Use time blocking. Use time blocking to allocate a specific amount of time for each task. This can help you to stay focused and avoid distractions. Step 8. Use the Pomodoro technique. Use the Pomodoro technique to break up your work into 25-minute intervals with short breaks in between. Step 9. Evaluate your progress. Set specific goals for each work session and track your progress towards those goals. Use metrics to measure your progress towards your goals. Reflect on your work after each work session and adjust your work plan as needed. Step 10. Celebrate your successes. Take time to celebrate your successes, both big and small. This can help you to stay motivated and inspired to continue working towards your goals. By following these steps, you can create a productive and effective 4-hour work plan per week that helps you to achieve your goals and avoid burnouts. I will post in the description below a very important link that will help us improve our productivity, efficiency and sustainability to make progress and growth. Please, if this plan works for you, leave in the comments below by writing rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. And I will share your comments with love and 5 stars. When you follow the same steps, you will get the same set of results. When it comes to doing anything repeatedly, a virtual companion that's real good. Thanks for watching.